Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Home improvement becomes easier with the right tools, helping you handle major upgrades while staying safe, stable, and confident on every project. Lbs Ladder for homeowners helps you reach higher, work smarter, and finish cleaning and tasks efficiently around home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. HBTower Lightweight Ladder. The HBTower Lightweight Ladder is a thoughtfully designed 5-step ladder that balances convenience, comfort, and safety for everyday household tasks. With an open size of 70.5 inches by 21 inches by 37.4 inches and a slim folded profile of just 9.25 inches deep, it offers a practical combination of reach and compact storage. Weighing only 23 pounds, it is sturdy yet manageable to move around the house. Assembly is straightforward and requires no extra tools, making it ready for use in about 10 minutes. One of its standout features is the built-in oversized tool platform, which allows you to keep paint cans, tools, or small hardware within easy reach, minimizing trips up and down the ladder. The sponge-covered handrails provide additional comfort and a secure grip, particularly helpful for seniors or anyone who values extra stability. Safety is further enhanced by wide, non-slip pedals that offer full heel-to-toe support, along with large rubber feet that grip the floor firmly and protect surfaces from scratches. The reinforced steel frame and metal support structure contribute to its solid feel, while the automatic safety locking mechanism ensures the ladder stays securely in place once opened.
Number 2. Soctone Telescoping Ladder. The Soctone Telescoping Ladder is a versatile and space-saving solution designed for users who need flexibility and portability without sacrificing strength. Built from high-quality aluminum alloy, the ladder resists rust, corrosion, and extreme temperatures, ensuring long-lasting durability in both indoor and outdoor environments. One of its most notable upgrades is the addition of 2 triangle stabilizers, which significantly reduce wobble and improve overall stability compared to many standard telescopic models. This added reinforcement makes it feel more secure when extended to higher levels. The ladder supports up to 330 pounds, accommodating most users along with their tools. Safety is clearly a priority in its design, as each section locks into place with smart locking pins that prevent unintended sliding. When retracting, the ladder lowers smoothly and gradually, reducing the risk of pinched fingers and sudden drops. Its compact retracted size, approximately 19 by 33 inches, allows it to fit easily into a car trunk, storage closet, or tight corner.
Number 3. Louisville FS1506 Ladder. The Louisville FS1506 is a professional-grade 6-foot fiberglass step ladder built with safety, durability, and performance in mind. Designed with a 300-pound load capacity that includes both user and tools, it offers reliable strength for demanding tasks. Its fiberglass construction provides a significant advantage for electrical work, as the non-conductive material enhances safety when working near wiring or power sources. This makes it an excellent choice for electricians, maintenance professionals, and serious DIY users. The ladder's superior build quality is evident in its smooth finish and sturdy frame, which feels solid and well-balanced during use. Each step rises by 12 inches, creating a comfortable climbing rhythm while maintaining stability. Slip-resistant rubber feet with thick treads on all 4 legs ensure secure footing on various surfaces, helping prevent accidental shifts. The molded top includes built-in tool slots that keep essential tools within arm's reach, reducing unnecessary movement while working at height.
Number 4. KINGRACK 800 Pounds Ladder. The KINGRACK 800 Pounds Ladder is engineered for heavy-duty performance, offering exceptional strength and stability for demanding household and workshop tasks. Constructed from premium steel, this 5-step folding ladder boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 800 pounds, making it one of the more robust options available for home use. Its rust-resistant finish enhances durability, ensuring it withstands regular use in both indoor and outdoor settings. A standout feature is the spacious multifunctional tool tray positioned at the top, allowing users to conveniently place gloves, tools, paint cans, or light bulbs within easy reach. This thoughtful addition reduces the need to repeatedly climb up and down, improving efficiency and safety. The wide, non-skid pedals provide generous foot space and strong traction,
helping users maintain balance during various tasks, such as painting, decorating, or cleaning. Soft, sponge-covered handrails enhance comfort and offer additional support, especially when working at higher steps.
Number 5. Arbusb 500 Lbs Ladder. The Arbusb 500 Lbs Ladder is a compact yet powerful 3-step ladder designed for everyday household reliability. Built with a reinforced steel frame and cross-structure support, it offers impressive stability and can safely handle up to 500 pounds, providing confidence during routine tasks. The automatic safety buckle locks securely when the ladder is fully opened, preventing accidental folding while in use. Its extra-wide steps feature anti-slip surfaces that provide full-foot support, making climbing comfortable and secure. Non-slip rubber feet grip the floor firmly while protecting surfaces from scratches, an important feature for indoor use on tile, wood, or laminate flooring. Measuring 21.6 inches by 26 inches by 40.9 inches when open, it provides sufficient height for reaching shelves, cabinets, and light fixtures, yet folds down to an ultra-slim 2.1-inch thickness for easy storage, behind doors or in tight closets. Weighing only 10.67 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to carry from room to room, making it ideal for quick tasks such as cleaning, organizing, or decorating. Choosing the right ladder means investing in safety, convenience, and long-term reliability for every home project. From simple repairs to seasonal maintenance, a dependable ladder saves time and effort. Pick wisely, work confidently, and enjoy smoother, safer results in every task you take on.